In this Fireworks CS4 tutorial, brought to you by Flash Building, we'll be showing you how to create beautiful and stunning custom swirls and curls. And it's pretty easy to do in Fireworks. And I'm going to go to Create New. Let's make the document 800 by 500. White background is good. Okay, so now in Fireworks you have a tool set here, and if you hold down on the shape tools, you can grab the spiral, just drag it out onto the canvas, and then you can adjust how many spirals it has. See, you can make it have one little spiral around, or many spirals going around. But what I'm going to show you is how people make those nice elegant spirals. And what's funny is they usually go into Photoshop or Illustrator and do a whole bunch of crazy crap. But here's an easy way to do it in Fireworks. Okay, so let's say we have our swirl, and let's give it a couple more spirals. Say we want it like that. Let's make it a little bit larger. Make it soft line of 1. Now we take that and press Control C. Once it's highlighted, press Control V, and it'll paste a copy of it on top of itself. Now the trick here is to take the transform registration point. Once you go to the skew tool, what you want to do is, well, you don't want to go to the skew tool. You want to go to the scale tool first. And then what you want to do is grab that registration dot here in the center. I'm going to zoom in a little so I can get it very accurate. I'm going to take the center transform dot, and I'm going to put it on the spiral tip, right where the dot is for the spiral, or as close to it as I can get. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more. That's close enough. Okay, so once you have that, then you can just skew it. So you see what happens? Creates a nice elegant curl that's tapered. It's very easy to do. And now all you have to do, now you have 2 curls here, or 2 swirls. Now you take the pen tool. See, I don't think you even have to have either one highlighted. Take the pen tool on the edge, click down on the edge here, and then click down on the edge here. Then you can go to your fill. Bam! There it is. Beautiful curl swirl. Everybody's looking to make these swirly curly effects nowadays. I'm going to press Control C, Control V, go up to Modify, Transform, flip it horizontally, and there you can see you have a nice little twin for it. So if you wanted something like that, and then you say you wanted to combine those paths, you can say Modify, Combine Paths, Union, and now it's one shape. And you see these effects a lot in Adobe After Effects and Adobe Flash, and I use them every now and then in Flash. But I just wanted to show you how you can easily make elegant swirls and curls using Fireworks. You don't have to, open your Photoshop or your Illustrator to be a professional graphic artist on the web. I have a huge portfolio of websites I've created for clients, and every bit of it is in Fireworks. That I've created the graphics for every bit of those sites. Every one of those sites I've created the graphics for in Fireworks. I really don't know Photoshop or Illustrator that well, but I'm really good in Fireworks. So that just, it just shows you can achieve many things, and you can also use the pen tool to create any custom wavy shape and design you want. So say I click that, And let's go to right about here. You drag it around, and you drag that around, connect it up. Say you want to do the Nike swoosh, you just go from there to there, drag it, click down here on that dot to make a sharp edge, click here, drag it around, boom, Nike swoosh. It's that easy. So you can do elegant, nice, any kind of wavy effects and lines, connect all these shapes into one, and bring them into After Effects to do some really cool things and really blow the minds of your visitors or your the people you're entertaining in video. Okay, we'll see you guys next lesson.